Hi, my name is Nicholas and I am an Apple education practitioner for iStore. Swift is a powerful programming language developed by Apple. With playgrounds, you can learn how to code in fun and interactive ways. Whether you're a beginner or experienced programmer, this video will guide you through the process of creating your own app step by step. So, grab your iPad, fire up Swift Playgrounds, and let's get started. For those new to coding, Swift Playgrounds offers a way for you to explore what's possible with Swift programming language. Swift UI and the APIs framework you'll use to build apps for Apple platforms such as iOS, iPadOS, and macOS. As an educator, you can leverage Swift Playgrounds to create step-by-step guided playgrounds that encourage learners to examine, understand, and interact with code. First, tap on Playgrounds on your device. From here, at the bottom of the screen, there's a tab that says More Playgrounds. We are going to tap on the first one that says App. Tap on that and it will start loading your app. So now that it's downloaded, you'll notice that it will write My App under the title of that playground. Tap on that to open that playground. Perfect. Now you are in your My App playground. So this playground, you'll notice that it's divided into two sections. One section is your preview side, where whatever you write in terms of your code will appear on the right-hand side. And on your left-hand side where it says Content View, this is where we will enter our code. So you'll see here the code. We've got a structure, we've got a VStack. We will take you further into that as we go on. But for now, simple, you've got a text that says Hello World. Go ahead and change that text Hello World to something like your name, for example. All right, Nicholas, and then you'll see in real time, it will show Nicholas under the globe icon. So that image of the globe, you can change that to any of the images you want from your app library or from the asset list that has been given to you. Simple as that. You've created and written your first line of code. To add more, you can always adjust your code to make room for more text, more images, basically things that the user will be able to see. Congratulations, you've just created a simple app in Swift Playgrounds on iPad. This is just the beginning. With Swift, you can create much more complex and advanced apps. Keep practicing and exploring the language to see what you can build. Thanks for joining iStore Meets with me, Nicholas. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, like this video and hit the notification bell to be notified when we post more videos.